students, in this video we will discuss the federal characteristics of our constitution. Federation was introduced in India in 1935 by the Government of India Act 1935. So the framers of our constitution made a federal constitution for our country, but we have a different federation. It is not a real federation as it is in the USA. In a real federation is the amalgamation of independent states for the creation of a big nation. But our federation is different. Our federation is the union of provinces. This is the characteristics of our federation. In a real federation, there are two-tier system of government. We have also two-tier system of government, central government and provincial government. We do not have a state government. Our government is provincial government. In colloquial speaking, we always use a state word, but we don't have a state. We have, provinces. Next is, in a real federation, the constituent states have their own separate constitution. But in India, in our federation, the provincial government do not have their separate constitution. They have to follow the Indian constitution, that is central constitution. In a real federation, dual citizenship is given to the citizens. But in our country, in our federation, we have a provision for single citizenship. Our federation is quasi-federal. Our state is quasi-federal state. Quasi-federal state means the state is federal in structure, but unitary in spirit. This is one characteristics. We have a peculiar type of federation. We have a peculiar federation adopted from Canadian Constitution. Next is we have centralized federation. Centralized federation means central government is more powerful than the provincial government. In normal situations, the provincial government are free to function for the welfare of the citizens. But in abnormal condition, in abnormal situation, the central government may dismiss the provincial government and may start ruling. This is the power of Indian Federation. Then these are some characteristics of Indian constitution, federal characteristics. A different federation we have, no dual citizenship, no separate constitution for the state, two-tier system, but it is the union of provinces, not the federation of states. These are some differences and these are the characteristics of Indian constitution. I think you will like it, and subscribe my channel Indra Coaching Classes. If you have any queries regarding 10 class question answer, 9 class question answer, English and social science question answer, please write it in the comment box. I will try to satisfy. Thank you. Have a nice time. Thank you.